Hey guys, welcome to day 2. Let's just quickly revise yesterday's word. Beguile, hoodwink, delude, bamboozle and flim-flam. The word that I picked up for today is friendly. I think that we have become very friendly with the word friendly and we keep using it all the time. Right? So in this video, I am going to share 5 synonyms of the word friendly, okay? And you can just simply replace that word and use these 5 words and it will literally enhance your sentences. So one more thing guys that I wanted to share, Rome was not built in a day, okay? Everything takes time. You have to put in effort, work hard and give time, okay? So keep practicing these words. In 1 week you are going to learn 35 new words, so make sure that you practice and you start using them in your day-to-day sentences. Okay, so let's just begin. The first word is cordial. It is also pronounced as cordial. Both are correct pronunciation. Let's take an example. Everybody liked his cordial nature, or even after the divorce, Suzanne and Hrithik Roshan were cordial to each other. Next word is affable. This again means friendly. Let's take an example. Mr. John is an affable man, or she found his parents affable, or you could also use this word to describe somebody's smile, like an affable smile. The next word here is convivial. It again means somebody who is very fun-loving, cheerful, friendly and happy. So you could use it like he is convivial and relaxed. What a convivial atmosphere. I like people who are convivial. Second last word is jovial. If you describe a person as jovial, you mean that he is very friendly, very fun-loving and cheerful and amiable. Okay, he became friends with everybody in class because of his jovial behavior. The final word is vivacious. It means lively, full of life, friendly and cheerful. We can use it like she is very charming and vivacious. That's all for today guys. I hope you are finding this useful. Please let me know your suggestions in the comment section below. I'll see you tomorrow again with something new. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.